Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Rayan the Techwizard, and today we'll be looking at another phone, as is our usual routine. Today we'll be looking at the Honor X Lite. So this phone just launched here in the Middle East. This phone is basically Huawei's answer to a budget version of Mate 20, I guess. But yeah, it's Honor here in Middle East, and it's also the first phone here officially to sport a teardrop notch. Not that we're fans of notches, but what you gonna do? Alright, Ren, you ready to unbox the phone?
Yep.
So there's the phone, and we got the sky blue variant. Yeah, so sky blue. Really nice looking plastic build phone. I don't know if it's glass or plastic. I don't know why people love that sound so much, but there you go, for those who love it. Oh, so it looks like there's a screen protector pre-applied, which is pretty cool for a budget phone. Why don't you take a look and see what else they have in the box?
They have a SIM tool.
The first thing you see is the SIM tool, huh? I think there's supposed to be... Yeah, there's a case inside and manual. Is it a rubber case or a plastic case?
It's like... I think it's a rubber case.
Oh, so like one of those basic kits. But hey, yeah, at least they gave it to you for free. Cool. What else is there in the box?
There's...
Is that a quick charger?
I think so.
Let's see. Let's take a look. Right, we'll probably take a look and tell you. Right, well, considering the price of this phone, it's a basic quick charger, and it is USB. Oh, it's micro USB. That kind of is disappointing, but at least they gave you headphones. Cool. So here's what the phone looks like with the supplied case. It's not bad actually. It does a decent job. It's basic protection for what it is. Let's power it on. Let's see if there's any use. Oh, there you go. Honor, powered by Android. So here we go. The phone's set up, and wow, that display is really gorgeous for a mid-range. I mean, it's got a Kirin 710 processor, so I assume it's a mid-range, but a very cost-efficient device. And look at that display. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if it's an OLED panel, AMOLED panel maybe. It looks very good for an LCD if it is one. And personally, I'm not a fan of notches, but that teardrop is less intrusive than something like Apple's or Huawei Mate 10s or the Pixels. So, sorry, Mate 20, not Mate 10. Yeah, it's a gorgeous display. We should probably test out some stuff on this, huh? Alright, so a few things. Now, it's a mid-range phone, but that fingerprint sensor is really fast. Wait, look at that. I just touch it. Nice. Way faster than actually some of the flagships I've touched. Right, so... Oh, just skip all that. Next. Enable. Yeah. Allow. Right, try taking a photo. That was fast. Not bad. Let's see. Wow, okay, that is... I mean, just look at the portrait mode. That's really good for a phone that's... Quality is amazing. And even, you know, separation, background blur is quite accurate for a budget phone. That's really impressive. Alright, so here's PUBG on high graphics on this phone. Alright, it looks like it's running smooth. Right, so we were experiencing a little bit of lag thanks to, you know, high graphics, but I guess it's also because our internet connection's a little bit slow right now.
I'm gonna show everyone.
Yeah, don't worry. They'll get to see you jump off. I like the afro of the character. What did you say? Look at that. Oh yeah, yeah. Wow.
You mean I'm cute?
Right. So it looks pretty smooth for medium graphics. Oh, sorry, high graphics. It's running quite well on the 710 processor. Kirin 710, that is. Right, so it's not 60 frames per second, but it got an occasional stutter here and there, but it's running really well on the mid-range processor. Not bad. Just for a reference, here's Sonic Dash. I know it's not the most graphic-intensive game, but you can see it's running. It's smooth sailing on this phone. There's no GPU turbo, but obviously it's running really smooth. This game's running at 60 frames per second. So let's see how the speakers sound in this phone.
What's wrong with these?
That's just a wavelength. It doesn't sound bad at all. Not the loudest, but also not the lowest quality. So what did you want to show me?
That it can change screen.
Oh, you mean it changes the background display every time you hit the power button? Okay. So I just wanted to confirm that this phone has a hybrid SIM. Not 2 SIMs and an SD card slot. I mean, it's better than having no SD card slot, right? So I can also confirm that this is in fact an IPS LCD panel, but a very, very good IPS panel. And also the back is plastic, not glass like I thought, but again, it doesn't feel as cheap as, you know, normally plastic does. So it's a very good finish on the back of this phone. Right, so obviously the camera is pretty good for what it is, right? About $250 for this phone. So yeah, okay, there's no USB Type-C. There's only a single speaker, no IP rating.
Thank God it has a headphone jack.
Exactly, it has a headphone jack. So, Honor 10 Lite. Very, very good phone for the price. I mean, Huawei, Honor, Xiaomi, Nokia, Poco phone, even though we know it's you, Xiaomi. These guys are redefining what it means to have a budget phone. And that's a good thing. Because, you know, if you're on a low budget and you need a good phone,
the options do spinning. Build
right.
It spinning.
It can spin too with the case, but the point is, you don't have to have a $1,000 phone anymore unless you really need the brand name, you really need an iPhone or a Samsung. But for those of us who actually like, you know, having budget options, we have really good options now. And budget doesn't necessarily mean low quality anymore. 2018 hopping off to 2019, I'm looking forward to seeing what else Honor can come up with and what else everybody else brings to the table come next year. And Honor 10 Lite, really good phone. I give it a thumbs up. What about you? 2 thumbs up. Right. Really good phone, $250. Check it.